Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to find working Vavada promo codes. So I am going to give you the simplest and quickest way to get this promo code from a website. So first of all, you need to be search cheapy.com, and always you need to be find out the real website, because in by this name they have many website over here. Just search cheapy and then you will get the result over here. Once you get here, you just need to be check out the logo. The logo will be similar kind of. So here you can find out casino coupon and that place. So I am looking for Vavada online casino code, so I am going to search here Vavada, Vavada, and it will be give us the suggestion over here, and then just click over here, and now you can see these are the popular Vavada casino bonus codes and Vavada casino deposit required bonus offer. So we have many options, and as you can see, these are the comment that mark this bonus as working, and we have another comment that no, code does not work. So you can identify the real working code from that place. So I'm going to click on here. Now you can see this is the code. We just need to be copy. Once we copy here, we need to be visit in vavada.com, and then we are allowed or able to use this code in our Vavada online casino for our further work. I hope you understand how easy the process was and how helpful the process is. I hope you love this video. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.